Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pradeep Wadkar, works at Sri Vagdev Junior College, Vathar Station, Satara. Today, we are going to understand best poem in your new course book. Name of the poem is Money. This poem is written by William H. Davis. Firstly, we have see briefly information about the poet and poetry. Poet William H. Davis, 1871 to 1940, Welsh poet and writer. He spent a significant part of his life as a tramp or hobo in the United Kingdom and the United States. Tramp means loafer, walking heavily. Hobo means a homeless person. He became a peddler and street singer in England. After several years of a wandering life, he published his first volume of poetry. Name of the volume is The Soul's Destroyer and Other Poems. In this poem, poet tells us about the rich man who wants to be a poor man to find the real happiness. It is when we do not have money or lost our money, we realize how important the money is. At the end, the poet says that now he doesn't have money, he has true friends, though they may be few. Let us start poem. Name of the poem Money. Poet William H. Davis. First stanza of this poem. When I had money, money oh, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all days at my door. When I had money, money oh, in this first line, poet tell about his past time when he still has much money and rich. I knew no joy till I went poor. In this second number line, poet says when you don't have money or lost our money, we will realize how important the money, how we waste our money in the past. He knew that he won't be happy when he don't have money. Third number line, for many a false man as a friend. In the past, he has many friends, but not the real friends. It means that they just be a good friends when they want his money. His happiness with his many friends is untrue because his money is their friends. Last line of the stanza came knocking all days at my door. In the past, the fake friends always come to him for his money. Second number stanza. Then felt I like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. Because a man is dead, I dared not speak to let this false world know. First two lines of the stanza. Then felt I like a child that holds a trumpet. Trumpet means a brass musical instruments. A trumpet that he must not blow. The first and second line in the stanza shows that He feels no freedom like a child who cannot blow the trumpet which he held as he pleases, his pleasure. In most cases, if child have a toy in their hand, they will play it continuously because they have freedom. Last two lines in the stanza. Because a man is dead, I dare not speak to let this false world know. A man in the third line may be interpreted adult an adult man who had set up the people, and then the next line means that he will let the people in this world realizes itself that so far they do not have any freedom. Third stanza of this poem. Much have I thought of life and seen how poor man's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. Much have I thought of life and seen. I think it means that he had been thinking about life continually, like a thinking hard to understand the meaning of his life, and then he realizes how poor man's hearts are evil light. In this line, poet says poor man's life is very hard, so their heart is never light. So this line show that a reverse. And how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. It means that the poor man's wife always grumbled and not satisfied with their husband's work, although the poor man always works hard all day. Maybe because they don't earn much money. Fourth number stanza of this poem. So when I hear these poor ones laugh and see the rich ones coldly frown, poor men I think need not go up so much as rich men, so much as rich men should come down. First two lines of the stanza. So when I hear these poor ones laugh and see the rich ones coldly frown. Frown means a facial expression indicating displeasure, disapproval. In these two lines, poet says usually poor peoples are never happy and rich peoples always are in prosperity. So when things turn around, the poor ones will laugh with the state of rich people who suddenly became poor, and the rich ones who do not receive ridicule by the poor one. Poor men think I need not go up so much as rich men should come down. In these two lines, he thinks that poor people not need to be rich, but much rich people must be poor. It means that the rich people must know the poor life, so when they lost their prosperity, it would be fine and can deal with condition. Last stanza of this poem. When I had money, money, oh, my many friends proved all untrue, but now I have no money, oh, my friends are real, the very few. William H. Davis. First two lines of this last stanza. When I had money, money, oh, many friends proved all untrue. My many friends proved all untrue. It means that his all friends never sincere with him. They are not friends in all condition. In which condition? When he is a rich man. Last two lines of this poem. But now I have no money. Oh, my friends are real, the very few. My friends are real, the very few. When he has no money, he finally has two friends, though they are not many, they are the poor people. I think this whole poem tells about the rich man who wants to be a poor ones to find the real happiness in the experience of crisis monetary because the situation say it. Thanks for watching my video.